Hey everybody! Today I'm out here to continue excavating next to this old building, and I'll show you what I've done so far. I've got this much dug. I'm kind of looking for old bottles. There might be some old bottles here. This is what I've gotten dug so far, and you can see my last video for more on that. I think the highlight was this old piece, maybe a horse's bit, something like that. And perhaps this might have been a step on a wagon or an old piece of machinery. The top part looks like there's screws on it. So I don't know. Maybe you know. Leave them something in the comments if you do. And this old cork. And this old bottle top, which were found separately. Okay, so that's what I've found so far out of this hole. Let's see what else we can find. All right, so far I got a piece of a nail. There's tons of those out here. This old building was probably built in the 1880s or 90s, maybe early 1900. And they threw their trash next to the building. There was another building built right next to it here, and they threw trash in between the two old buildings. So, nothing on that. Just a nail piece again. A couple little nail pieces. Parts of nails. All right. I could really use a screen with boards around the sides. That would be so helpful. Okay. Wow, nothing in that except teeny tiny pieces of metal. Okay, a little piece of nail, metal, and a lot of little wood pieces. Nothing there. Well, old piece of glass. Well, what's that? Piece of metal, folded up metal. Piece of glass. I had another one the same rim as that the other day. Piece of metal. Other that rim of that thing. Huh, wonder what that is. Piece of metal. All right, this is what I've got dug so far. Let's take a look at the finds. So we've got a bunch of these old nail that have really rusted and expanded, and other things. Got this thing. Animal jaw. Looks like a piece of hose, maybe. Yeah. This Ooh, that's falling apart. So, I don't know what that is. If anybody knows, let me know. And this thing. Wow, what is it? There's some kind of screw there. Is it the lock from a door? Can't really tell. It was pretty deep. So that's pretty cool. Then the glass. So let's see what else we can find. Okay, we have an update on more things I found. Looks like some kind of hook. But if this is supposed to be a hole, the dirt has, you know, rusted shut, and here as well. Okay, some old nails and stuff. This one's a pretty big one. And small junk. Some more glass. A newer nail. Some metal pieces, pieces of nail. So that's it for now. Let's see what else we can find. Still wondering about that thing. Interesting. Okay, so this is what I've got dug so far. And I'll show you all the dirt that's piled up. And I haven't found a lot since the last time I showed you. So let's go take a look. Okay, so I have this old baling wire. Found this interesting piece. You can see how it hooked together there onto something. Don't know what. Check out that old, I guess you could call it a nail. And mostly just found lots of old nails, some glass, not sure what that is. Found that round thing. Some nails, wire, glass. Yeah, just a bunch of that. That's pretty old looking. I'll just move it out on top of the pile. Oh, I don't know what that is. And there was something else round in here. So I found this round thing. And this round thing. This does not feel like metal. So we'll have to look at that closer. And that's it for this batch. It's been kind of slow. So far, I've got a bucket full of old can pieces and nails and stuff like that. And then a couple of bigger pieces. I'm not sure what this is. And then I just found a piece of an old bottle here that has writing on it. It's really cool. I know one of the words is constitutional and curing. So I don't know what that is. Some other old glass. So still finding stuff. Let's keep digging. Here's what our pit looks like so far. Just found the side of that old bottle right here. So let's see what else we can find. Okay, so that's what I've dug up so far. And I'll show you what I dug since the last time. All this stuff. Big chunk of wood. and other wood pieces in between those two rocks there. So I think the bottom to this old bottle goes with this that I dug up in the last update. It has writing on it. And another big piece of glass. And I've been finding a lot of this, it's kind of a green color. See that green? I've dug a lot of those pieces. Here's some right here. So it's very light, breakable glass. And some other junk pieces like this. Lots of nails. Some more of that glass. Sure, that might go with that bottle. Some kind of lid. Oh, this looks like a piece of an old boot. This is leather. So I found this piece of leather also. Whatever this is. Maybe a lid or something. This white thing. I wonder if that's a tooth. Quite a few pieces of glass and just metal pieces. There's another piece of that boot, maybe. Leather. And another little piece. That was kind of right there by that rock. That's all for today. I'll see you next time as we dig some more in this pit. Have a great day. Join me in these videos to see some more treasure hunting. And please subscribe if you haven't yet, and smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching. See you in this video.